Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer stuffed peppers. These can be done in your air fryer or your Ninja Foodi, either one. It is just a few simple ingredients and they are also naturally gluten-free, so they're very easy to make. Even if you need something that's gluten-free, this will work without any special ingredients. So you will need 6 bell peppers. These can be any color. 1 pound of lean ground beef, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 cup of green onion diced, and 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of ground sage, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 cup of cooked rice, a cup of marinara, and possibly more to taste, and then 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. So these are going to be the only ingredients you need, most of which will be found right in your pantry. The first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and trim and clean those peppers. You can trim them so that you can put the tops on top again at the end if you want to serve them with the top. And then I just clean out the seeds as well. I got these peppers actually at a farmer's market and they were huge. So normally you can easily fit the ground beef and everything into 6. Unless you buy extremely large peppers, then you may need some extra to fit in there too. So the first thing you're going to do after you clean those is go ahead and warm up your skillet, and then you can add in that ground beef and go ahead and brown it. So I'm just going to brown the ground beef, and then I'm going to drain it and return it to the pan. And then you can go ahead and add in the olive oil, green onion, parsley, sage, and salt and mix that up. And then also add in the rice and marinara. So I'm just stirring that here. I still have it on so that it can cook and warm up. Now, if you are using a Ninja Foodi, you can actually do all of this using the saute function in the pot of the Ninja Foodi. So if you are using that, the Ninja Foodi multi-cooker, you can do this all in the Ninja Foodi. You don't have to use a skillet on the stove. If you are using an air fryer, you will need to use the skillet for this first part of this recipe. So once that is all done and warmed up, we are just going to scoop some of the mixture and put it right in the peppers. So as you can see, I'm stuffing the peppers with it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add each pepper to the air fryer or the Ninja Foodi basket. And I'm going to cook this at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So I did not preheat it. I just put it into a cold air fryer basket and then I cooked it for 10 minutes. Now, after your 10 minutes is up, you will want to go ahead and open up the lid, add the cheese, and then cook for an additional 5 minutes. So I'm just adding that. And as you can see, I did 3 at a time in my Ninja Foodi multi-cooker. If I use the Ninja air fryer, I can usually fit 4 at a time in that because it's more rectangular. So once these are done and the cheese is melted after that 5 minutes, you can go ahead and serve them. We usually serve them without the top. You can add the top if you would like, just for presentation purposes, if you want to add that on. So as you can see here, that's showing them with the top. And then we just eat that right out of the pepper and it's delicious. These are one of our family favorites that my husband and my kids love. And they are very simple to make and even better to use garden fresh produce too. So you can use fresh peppers straight from your garden. Be sure to like and subscribe to this to this channel so that you don't miss the next recipe. And then you can find this one and more all over on mommyhatescooking.com or airfryerfanatics.com. Thank you so much for tuning in today.